1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out, no need to take it slow. I'm stepping to you toe to toe. I should be scared, honey, maybe so, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods, dancing on the clouds below. I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it. I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out, so spend it like it's gold. I'm living like I'm 9 zeros. Got no regrets even when I'm broke. I'm at my best when I got something I'm wanting to steal. Way too busy for them problems and problems to feel. No stressing, just obsessing for sealing the deal. I'll take it in and let it go, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods, dancing on the clouds below. I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried, oh no, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods, dancing on the clouds below. I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it. Hey, thanks so much for stopping by, and if you enjoyed that cover, then please do me a favor. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future content coming from this channel. And also, I want to thank Enya Music for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase this concert-size black Nova ukulele, which, by the way, is made out of carbon fiber. So yeah, it's pretty sturdy, it's not going to dent, it's not going to warp in different weather conditions, it's travel friendly, and it comes in a bundle with a case and a few accessories that are going to enhance the way you play this instrument. So if you want to get your hands on this concert-sized Nova ukulele, then click on the link in my description box below. Again, thanks so much for checking out this channel, and if you want to hear some more music, then click on that link right over there. It's going to take you to another one of my ukulele play-alongs that I think you're going to enjoy, and I would encourage you to break out your ukulele and jam along with me. But whatever the case, I look forward to seeing you right over there.